If you have a product idea, what's the next step? The straightforward answer: build a prototype to test it out and maybe show it to investors. In the past, traditional prototyping was slow and expensive. Long lead times, costly tooling, lots of waiting. But today, there's a better way: rapid prototyping. Engineers, designers, and entrepreneurs can now turn concepts into physical models in days or even hours. In this video, you'll learn what rapid prototyping does and how it helps you develop products faster. So what is rapid prototyping? It's the process of quickly creating a physical model of a product using advanced manufacturing techniques. Instead of starting with large-scale tooling or manual fabrication, you begin with a 3D CAD model. Techniques like 3D printing, CNC machining, and vacuum casting then turn that digital model into a real object. Depending on the purpose, there are different types. Proof of concept validates an idea early on. Looks like. This type focuses on the shape, style, and feel of the product. It is highly suitable for use in presentations, investor roadshows, or for checking ergonomic design. The consumer electronics industry often uses it. For example, a model of a mobile phone that looks real but doesn't require power on. Works like the functional model used for performance testing. For example, for a new kitchen appliance, the appearance might not have been finalized yet, but all the main functions can be operated. Engineers can repeatedly adjust the mechanical structure. Engineering. It is the closest to the final product, with its shape and function basically finalized. It is used for rigorous tests such as drop tests, stress analysis, compliance certifications, etc. How do you bring these prototypes to life? 1. Concept: turn your idea into a 3D design. 2. Fabrication: use 3D printing, CNC, or vacuum casting to create the physical part. 3. Post-processing: sanding, painting, polishing to improve look and feel. 4. Testing: check accuracy, fit, ergonomics, durability. 5. Iteration: revise the design based on feedback and repeat. 3D printing, additive, builds parts layer by layer, great for complex shapes, concept models, and small batches. CNC machining, subtractive, cuts from a solid block, better for durable prototypes that must withstand real stress. Vacuum casting uses silicone molds to make 10 to 100 copies that look and feel like production parts. Faster development cycles: test multiple versions at the same time, solve problems quicker. Cost-effective early testing: no expensive tooling up front. Better design validation: catch flaws, improve ergonomics, adjust performance early. Bottom line: faster time to market, with less risk. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.